My dear students, today we will be discuss about the combination of capacitors. The combination of capacitors is called condenser. The combination of two or more capacitors is called condenser. The grouping or combination of capacitors from two way. First, in series combination, and second, parallel combination. First, in series combination. So in series combination, when the two or more electronic device connected each other with the opposite terminals is called in series. फिर बताएं कि when the two or more electronic device connected with the opposite terminals of each other is called in series combination. Let three capacitor of capacitance C1, C2 and C3 connected in a circuit in series each other. The first plate of the first capacitor connected with the electric source and the last plate of capacitor connected with the earth. The electric source continuously supplied a charge plus Q. The charge uniformly spread through the plate of capacitor, and due to the electric induction, the equal and positive charge appears on the outer surface and equal negative charge appears on the inner surface. Suppose the electric source continuously supply a positive charge plus Q. The charge uniformly spread throughout the surface of plate of capacitor of capacitance C1. Due to the electric induction, the equal positive charge appears on the outer surface and equal negative charge minus Q appears on the inner surface. The charge distributed in same form on the C1 and C2, plus, minus, and plus. The last plate of the capacitor of capacitance C3 connected with the earth, the electron flow from the earth and reach at the outer surface of capacitor of capacitance C3 गेट न्यूट्रल्स. तो यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है यहाँ आएंगे और इसको न्यूट्रल कर देंगे एंड इक्वल एंड अपोजिट चार्ज appears on the two different plate of the capacitors. The charge developed across C1 at a potential V1, across C2 at a potential V2 and across C3 at a potential V3. Then the net potential of circuit is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. We know V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2, and V3 is equal to Q by C3. Put the value of V1, V2 and V3 in equation 1. Then V is equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. Taken a equivalent capacitor of capacitance C. Then V is equal to Q by C. Put the value of V in equation 2. We get a new equation. Q by C is equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. ठीक, Q को कॉमन ले लीजिए तो Q1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. If n capacitors connected in the circuit, then 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus dot n. It is the total capacitance of the capacitor combined to each other in series combination. We say the reciprocal of the total capacitance of a combination of capacitors is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of capacitance of the individual capacitors connected in the circuit in series each other. एक बार और ध्यान से सुन लीजिए कि द reciprocal of the total capacitance of the capacitors connected in a circuit in series each other is equal to the sum of reciprocal of the individual capacitance of the capacitor connected in this circuit. 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Next, in parallel combination. What is the parallel combination? When the all positive terminal of a electronic device connected at the one point and all negative terminal connected with the other point is called parallel combination. फिर एक बार ध्यान से when the all positive terminal of the electronic devices connected at the one point and all negative terminal connected at the other point is called parallel combination. Let three capacitors C1, C2 and C3. Let three capacitors of capacitance C1, C2 and C3 connected in a circuit with parallel each other. The first plate of capacitors of capacitance C1, C2 and C3 connected with the electric source and the last plate connected with the earth. We suppose the electric source continuously supply a charge of plus Q. The charge distributed in the three parts Q1, Q2 and Q3. The charge uniformly distributed on the plate of capacitors of capacitance C1, C2 and C3, and due to the electric induction, equal positive charge appears on the outer surface and equal negative charge appears on the inner surface. The last plate of capacitors connected with the earth, then the electron of earth flow from the earth and becomes or reach at the outer surface, get neutrals, and the plate of capacitor have the equal positive and negative charge. Then total amount of charge flow through the circuit Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Taken equation 1. We know Q1 is equal to C1V. In this case, all capacitors have a common potential V. Q2 is equal to C2 into V and Q3 is equal to C3 into V. Put the value of Q1, Q2 and Q3 in equation first. We get a new equation. Q is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. Taken equation 2. Taken a equivalent capacitor of capacitance C. Then CV is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. Taking the common of V, then C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. If n capacitors connected in the circuit parallel each other, then C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus dot 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 n or Cn. We other words say that the total or equivalent capacitance of the capacitor in parallel combination is equal to the algebraical sum of the capacitance of the individual capacitors connected in the circuit parallel each other. What is the main difference between in series combination and parallel combination? So in this case, the in series combination, all capacitors carry the same amount of charge, have different potential, and in parallel combination, the all capacitors carry the different amount charge, have a common potential. It is the main difference between in series and parallel combination. In parallel combination, all capacitors carry the different amount charge, have the common potential, and opposite. In series combination, all capacitors carry the same amount of charge and having the different potential.